Welcome to Class 5 NCERT Mapping Your Way Chapter 8 Part 3, and in this part we will see regarding waiting for the parade. Waiting for the parade, page number 115. While waiting for the parade, Kancha and some of his friends wonder where this parade ends. Kancha is carrying a newspaper in which the route of the parade is written. So children, all the children were waiting to see the parade, yes or no? So we should know from where the parade starts and where it ends. Without that, where we will wait? Because if they sit like that, they will not know from where the parade is going to come, whether they will come from that way or not. So for that, what do we know? We need a map in our hand. So no, so we need a map in our hand so that we can see that the parade comes from which route and passes by which route and ends at which route. So what they had, they were carrying a newspaper in which the map was given. For example, like this, from Vijay Chowk it will go in the Rajpath Road, India Gate, from the Tilak Nagar, from BSF Nagar, like this it was given. Okay, seeing this map, they were looking at it and seeing the route of the parade. Hey, see, that is India Gate and this is Rashtrapati Bhavan. So, the children were seeing at the map which is given, and this is the map 3 Manav, and they were identifying the places. So, first they identified what? Rashtrapati Bhavan and India Gate in that. So, which is Rashtrapati Bhavan? This is Rashtrapati Bhavan and this is India Gate. And the long road between these is Rajpath. We already studied that. As of now, the road which joins Rashtrapati Bhavan and India Gate is called as Rajpath. What is that called? Rajpath. Let's guess how many kilometers long Rajpath is. Now, what is the boy saying? Let's guess how many kilometers will it be. My mother told me it is 2 kilometers from Vijay Chowk to India Gate. What did her mother told? It seems from Vijay Chowk to India Gate, it is 2 kilometers. How many kilometers? 2 kilometers. On this map, it is about 4 centimeters. So, 4 centimeters on the map is same as 2 kilometers on the ground. Got confused? What is this 4 centimeters? From where you got this 4 centimeters? Nothing, children. So first, what is the information given for us? Vijay Chowk to India Gate is 2 kilometers. That is the information given. Now you take a scale. You have the scale. Yes, take the scale and measure the distance. Keeping on this map. Measure the distance from Vijay Chowk to this India Gate. And when you keep the scale and measure, you will get it about 4 centimeters. Okay, children, understood? What you will do? आप एक scale लेंगे और विजय चौक से लेके इंडिया गेट तक आप मेजर करेंगे अपना स्केल पे. So exactly you will get it nearly 4 centimeters. Okay, children, that is what this 4 centimeters is. So 4 centimeters on the map is same as 2 kilometers on the ground. So on the map, on the paper, we are getting it as 4 centimeter. So we should know on ground exactly how kilometers it should be. It should be 2 kilometers because his mother already told that it is 2 kilometers. Now we have to see how this 4 kilometers will be 2 kilometers. You are right. See, it is written at the bottom of this map, scale given as 2 centimeters is equal to 1 kilometer. See, children, every map will have a scale at the bottom because when we are picturing a map onto a paper, okay, whole area, for example, the India map is there. India is a big place, but what we are doing? We have pictured it into one paper, into a small paper. So when we do that, what we do? We give a scale at the bottom. That is 2 centimeters is equal to 1 kilometers because distance is measured in kilometers. So we have measured, scale is always given. So what is the scale taken here? 2 centimeters is equal to 1 kilometer. So then 4 centimeters is equal to how much it will be? 2 kilometers. Understood? 2 centimeters is 1 kilometer. So then 4 centimeters will become 1 into 2, 2 kilometers. Okay children, understood this till now? Yes? Good. So, is this right now what we have seen, that 4 centimeters this and scale and everything? Did you understand till here? Good. Now, next one. Mark the route. Trace the route of the parade in map 3 and mark India Gate and Rajpath. So, first we have to trace the route of the parade and then mark the India Gate and Rajpath. Okay children. Now, first how it is going, tell me. Vijay Chowk. Next, Rajpath. India Gate. Have we marked India Gate? Have we marked Rajpath? But I am mapping all the points for you so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay. So, this is the route which the parade is following. From Vijay Chowk to Rajpath, Rajpath to India Gate, and then from India Gate, what is given for you? Tilak Marg. Which is Tilak Marg? This is Tilak Marg. So, that is Tilak Marg. Then the parade will go from that route, Tilak Marg. And then what is given? B.S. Zafar Marg. B.S. Zafar Marg means Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg. Okay children, what is B.S. Zafar Marg? Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg. Then it will go in this road, that is B.S. Marg, and then what is given? Subhash Marg. Subhash Marg is from here, you can check out the line I am putting, from here till here it is Subhash Marg. And then from here where it will go? Red Fort. Where is Red Fort? This is Red Fort. So, it has to turn this way and reach the Red Fort. Okay children, understood? So, where is India Gate here? This is India Gate. Which is Rajpath? This whole road is Rajpath. The road which joins Rashtrapati Bhavan and India Gate is called as Rajpath. So, which is the trace of the map, trace of the parade which goes Vijay Chowk, that is from here Vijay Chowk, Rajpath Road, then it reaches the India Gate, yes, then from there the Tilak Marg, and then B.S. Zafar Marg, that is Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg, and from here it will go through Subhash Marg and reach the Red Fort. Okay children, understood till here? Look at the map carefully and find out which of these is the longest road. Now, what they are asking, which among these 3 roads given is the longest road. First, we will take the map 3, and then first road which is given is B.S. Zafar Marg. Which is B.S. Zafar Marg? This is B.S. Zafar Marg. From here to here, see, I have put a line for you. So, no. And then which next one is Subhash Marg, which they ask. Subhash Marg is from here to here. Till we reach Red Fort, it is Subhash Marg, which is marked in blue color. And the third one is Tilak Marg. Tilak Marg is from here to here. So, seeing this, you can easily say which is the longest route. Come on, tell me. Subhash Marg is the longest route. Yes or no? By seeing these points, we can easily say which line is longest. This blue one, which is the Subhash Marg. If Rubia is coming from Jama Masjid to join the parade, guess about how fast she will walk. Now, they are asking us, if Rubia is coming from Jama Masjid, okay, she is joining from Jama Masjid to join the parade, guess how fast she will walk. First, what is the route of the parade? Vijay Chowk, Rajpath, India Gate, from there Tilak Marg, from there Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg, from there Subhash Marg, and till there, till the Red Fort we are coming. Yes or no? Now, where is she joining from? Tell me. She is coming from Jama Masjid. Can you find where is Jama Masjid? Masjid kahin pe dikh raha hai aap logon ko? Can you see the masjid? Yes, here you can see the masjid. This is Jama Masjid. So, she has to join from here to here. Yes or no? So, if you take a scale once again and measure this line, the distance from here to here, you will get it exactly nearly to 1 centimeter. How much you will get it, children? 1 kilometer. Sorry, 1 centimeter. Now, let's see the answer. Jama Masjid is 1 centimeter away from the Subhash Marg on the map. Yes or no? How much far it is? 1 centimeter away. we have kept the scale and measured there. In the given map, scale is 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Yes or no? For us, what is given? 2 centimeters is equal to 1 kilometer. So, if 2 centimeters is 1 kilometer, Jama Masjid to that parade road is 1 centimeter. So, half of this, half of 1 is 0.5 kilometer. And if we measure it into meters, if we convert it into meters, we know that 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So, half kilometer, that is 0.5 kilometer, will be 500 meters. Thus, Rubia will have to walk 500 meters to join the parade. Understood, children? What was the question asked? If she is coming from Jama Masjid to join the parade, how much distance shall we need to walk? That is what they have asked. This is the map of the parade. That is, the parade will be moving in this way. She has joined from here only. So, she has to walk from here to join the parade. So, what is the distance she is walking? That is the question given. So, first you will put a scale and measure this. If you measure this, how much you are getting it as? 1 centimeter. How much you are getting it as? 1 centimeter. So, 1 centimeter, and we know the scale is 2 centimeter is 1 kilometer. So, 1 centimeter means half of this, that is half kilometer. We can write it as 0.5 kilometer. Half is can be written as 0.5, and we know that 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So, 0.5 means half of this will be 500 meters. So, she has to walk 500 meters to join the parade. The second one, the total route of the parade is about how long? 3 kilometers, 16 kilometers, 25 kilometers or 8 kilometers. Now, they are asking the total route of the parade is how long. So, the total distance of the parade in the map is 16 centimeters. How you got 16? Can you tell me? Because as I told you to measure it with the scale, in the same way, now we will measure it with the scale, the whole path. That is, from here to Vijay Chowk to India Gate, keep a scale and measure it. It will come in nearly about 4 centimeters. Okay, children? Centimeter side, you keep your scale and measure it, you will get it as 4 centimeters. Then Tilak mark, 4 centimeters. Then this B.S. Zafar mark, 3 centimeters. Then this Subhash mark, you will get it as 5 centimeters. Okay, children, you have to measure fully from here to here. Okay. So, this is the whole distance which has been travelled by the parade. So, now if you add this, 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 5, 16 centimeters. So, totally how much we are getting? 16 centimeters. So, you understood how we got this 16? And we know that 2 centimeter on the map is equal to 1 kilometers. That is a scale which is given. 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Thus, 16 centimeter equal to how much? If 2 centimeter is, one second children, if 2 centimeters, if we are saying that 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer, yes or no? This is what we are getting it from the scale. And now, how much is the distance we calculated with the scale? 16 centimeters. So, 16 centimeter is equal to how much? Means what you will do? 16 by 2, that is equal to 8 kilometer. Understood how we got 8 here? Yes, because if 2 centimeters is equal to 1 kilometer, then 16 centimeters will be how many kilometers? 8. We have just converted it into kilometers using this. Understood? Okay. Now, the next one. So, the total route of the parade will be about 8 kilometers. So, which is the answer? The fourth one, 8 kilometers is the answer. I hope you understood this waiting for the parade. Yes. Next, we'll continue in our next part. Till then, thank you.